Good day everyone. I am Crystal M. Cureje and I will be discussing about the topic under the group 4, the connecting to the internet. But before we go on, let us know first what is the internet. So basically it is a global network that allows us to share informations and resources with no single point of control. Now, what does connecting to the internet means? Connecting to the internet means establishing a link that allows your device, like a phone or a computer, to access and communicate with a vast network of computers and services that make the internet. So basically, it is a direct link that allows our device to connect to the World Wide Web. Let us go now to the types of internet services. We have dial-up, DSL, cables, fibers, cellular networks, and satellite. So when we say dial-up is a type of internet access that uses the public switch telephone networks or the PSTN to connect to the internet. So basically, dial-up it uses phone line or telephone landline. So next is the DSL or the digital subscriber line. It uses a broadband connection which makes it much faster than the dial-up. So unlike the dial-up, DSL is much faster than that. DSL connects to the internet via phone line but does not require you to have a landline at home. So unlike dial-up, it requires you to have a landline or a telephone landline. DSL do not require it. As you can see, may ada kita nga visual kung paano nag-work ang DSL. Next is the cable. A cable service connects to the internet via cable TV. Although you do not have or you do not necessarily need to have a cable TV in order to get it. So, unlike dial-up and DSL, cable is much faster than the two. But makaka-avail ka lasan sini nga cable, it is only available where the cable TV is also available. Syempre. So, next we have the fiber. Fiber internet or the fiber optic internet uses fiber optic cables to transmit data as a light pulses. So basically, fiber it has a fastest speed and it uses fiber optic cables. Let us now move on to cellular network and satellite. When we say cellular network, it is a group of towers na makikita natin din ha, cities or even though sa mga hagrayo na nga mga lugar. Um, as your machine works, it sends data through the closest tower to the network. While on satellite communications technologies transmit data through satellites orbiting the Earth. So, since we are done talking or discussing about the types of internet services, let us now move on to the internet services providers or the ISP. Now, ano yung nga internet services providers? So, an internet services provider, it is a company that provides individuals and organizations with access to the internet. So, inihirang ang mga tao, they help us to have an internet connections. So, what are the factors considering when choosing ISP? So, we have the speed, the price, of course, kay iba-iba ang ira pricing, and the reliability, of course. Dahil basta-basta kita magpilihan mga internet services providers, basta-basta la. Dapat yung pipinsaran natin hiyahin, maupay. Now, in setting up your connections, we have routers, modems, and Wi-Fi. When we say routers, this acts as a traffic caps of the internet. It distributes internet signals. Modems naman, It is a modulator or demodulator, a combination of this. Um, it connects to ICP network. Wi-Fi, of course, we know about this. It is a wireless connectivity for the devices. So once it's completely set up, you can use it or pwede na natin hiya magamit in any part of our house.